How do I drain my pelonis portable AC unit with no water coming out? So what I should?
What's the brand and model of your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
I haven't only had it about 2 months, but I never really tried to drain it till now. I hear all the water inside, but WHN try to drain, nothing coming out.
How long has this been going on with your air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Nothing yet.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That's it. I have a question.
In the bottom of this unit you should find a peacock drain. If you cannot find this, the whole bin should be able to be removed and dumped.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.